Hello. I forgot your name. The guy that was helping me with the getting the camera set up. This is the new camera I have set up now, and he's the guy from Logitech who subscribed to my channel. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this chat, if you can see this video or not, but if you do see it, I appreciate it if you can comment and tell me you've seen it. I'm doing a demonstration of the new camera on Heroclix, and you can see the difference of the old videos and the new videos. So this is going to be a sortation of a few HeroClix. I'm not sure exactly how many, but I'm not going to say the names of the HeroClix. I'm just going to show the pictures of the HeroClix themselves and some pieces around them. So here we go. I got a gun. I'm going to shoot somebody. I am all of that. I have a gun. Pow, 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 pow. I spin around in different directions to show off my gun. Pew, 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 pew. I have a gun. I use my gun to kill people because I do it in the name of my job, whatever it is. I kill people. Yes, I do. Pow, 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 pow. Pow, 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 pow. That's that guy. I am Giant Man! I am Giant Man! I'm so big I can't be filmed on the camera! I am incredibly tall and large! Look at me, I'm entirely large! I'm a huge mother effer! I stomp on your face! I get the bad guys because I am an Avenger. And I go around and I stomp on people. That's two. Let's see if I can find someone with a cape. Ah, Bizarro. Me like hurting people. Me like Lois. Wait. Me don't like Lois. Me don't like Lois. Me do not like to kittens. Me do not like ice cream. Pizza I don't like. Me Bizarro. I am bizarre. Oh, I am a bizarre. Oh, bizarre. A bizarro. Me do not like my missiles. Me don't. Me like Superman. Sometimes. Me sometimes like Superman. Fresh out of the ocean. It's this guy. How's that look, Donna? Can you see the things?
Yeah.
What does it say? Can you read the numbers, or is the thing in the way? You can't read the numbers, can you?
No.
Okay, what if I turn it this way? Can you read them now? Can you see all four numbers?
I can't see the red one. I can see the other two. Those
Which
three
one's the
are.
red one? Oh, the top one. You can't see the top one.
No.
Oh, now you can see it.
Look it that way.
Which way? This way?
Yeah, I can see that. Now it's perfect.
Ah, so we can see it.
That's what
I am stolen the trident from Aquaman. I am King Trident. I am the king of the sea. I am Ocean Man. I am the man with the ocean. I have no hand. My hand's been chopped off. I try to be author for the Justice League, but instead I am the king. The king is who I am. King I am. There's another one to look at. Oh, here's a tiny ass, a tiny butt one. A tiny donkey one. A tiny donkey one. I don't give a rat's donkey, Donna. So if you don't know what we're talking about at Walmart, they have shirts called "I don't give a rat's donkey," but another word for donkey is ass. So it says "I don't give a rat's ass,"
It's really funny.
and we wear that everywhere. It's one of our favorite shirts. I am the kid from um, Ben 10. Do you know where Ben 10 is? I must fight him. I'm a magic guy from Ben 10. I must fight Ben 10. I am a fat, little tiny midget guy. Uh-oh, little tiny, little person guy. And sorry, if there's any small people watching this, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to say the M word. Please forgive me. Don't give me bad comments. It slipped out. If you want to give me bad comments, I just got rid of them. But still, you have the right to make comments and put a dislike because I said the M word. I slipped out. Sorry. Um, that's that guy, the little tiny guy. What other guys we have in here? Let's do. I am a little white person. I do little white people things. I spin white webs because I am Spider Girl. I am a white spider superhero. White, 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 white. I have a little black in me, but I am mostly white. Everything on here is white, black, and a little bit of red. Spider Girl. I am a Spider Girl. Here I go, being a Spider Girl. Spider Girl. Spider.
You should say that Spider Girl has a brother named Spider-Man.
No, she's Spider-Man's son. She's Spider-Man's girl.
Spider-Man girlfriend.
I'm really Spider-Man's son. I'm really a dude. What's another one we can do? Let's do this teeny guy here. Mole Man. I am a tiny mole man. Can you even see it?
Yeah.
Can you see all four numbers? Can you see all four numbers, Donna?
Yeah.
You can? I can't see them. Where can you see them at? You read all the numbers? What numbers are they?
7, 9, 16, 3.
You actually can see them? Wow. This camera is way better than the other cameras in this. Okay, I do one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I do the last one for 8. Which one do I want to do? I might do 9. Maybe there's different guys on here. I definitely want to do this guy. I'm gonna do 9. Variation of 9. Quicksilver. I'm Flash. No, wait, I'm not Flash. I'm Quicksilver. I run around faster than Quicksilver, like the Flash, but I'm really Quicksilver. Look at me run. My face is all orange because I run so fast. It's on fire. My face is orange. Can you see the numbers, Donna? Can you see the numbers at all? You can't see them? I don't know how. You can't see the numbers on this guy, can you? How is that? Can you see them there?
I can see them there too.
How about that? Can you see them there?
Yeah.
What numbers can you see?
The red one, 8, 16, 2.
8, 16, and 2. I have a red face. I have a red face. I run so fast my face turned red. Okay, I'm done. I think I'm from Walking Dead. I think I'm the sheriff from Walking Dead, but I'm really not. I'm a character from X-Men. I'm an X-Men character. I really don't know who you are. But I think I'm the sheriff from Walking Dead. But I'm not the Walking Dead sheriff. But I think I am. But I don't have a gun. So maybe that's a problem. Maybe I'm supposed to have a gun in my hand and I'm supposed to kill zombies or something. But in reality, I'm not the Walking Dead guy. I'm just a guy wearing clothes like the Walking Dead guy. Falling asleep? Hey! Falling
No,
asleep?
try not to.
You said you weren't tired.
I'm daydreaming.
About me? About other stuff? Bedroom stuff?
Yeah.
Ah. Okay, so I got hot. I mean, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this guy. Nine's assorted Heroclix, a test for the guy who is helping me get that camera and sent me this nice new camera. The sound quality is good. We tested another quality sound video earlier. We have Donna talking in the background. You want to say something else, Donna? You guys speak this? You want to say something goodbye video or something? What do you normally say at the end of the videos?
Have a nice day. Peace out.
Nice out.
Dry your ankles. I can't think of the other one. It's
Be smooth as a dolphin.
smooth as a dolphin. Born in the 90s or something like that.
The dream of the 90s is important.
Dream 90s is important.
And Donna's falling asleep. She said she wasn't even tired, and now she's all falling asleep. You can stop the video now, Donna.
I get hungry again.
I need to eat something too.